Yeah. I've been patrolling these neighborhoods for 45 years. The police department never really was strong enough to let me in. I'm Officer Dan, by the way. Neighborhood security. Although, can't really drive yet, so wait a second. Damn kids. That's the smell of cocaine. They're making it. You see this? How the clay layers in the dirt and everything are in the... Yeah, that's cocaine in there. Hey, look at me. Focus on my face now. Yeah. Okay. Gotta make sure my lights is clean. Going in. They're not in the house. I can't hear any buzzes. Very quiet. When you're on a cocaine bust, gotta beat everything you see in sight. Oh, Jesus. Jeez. Look at this. My God. Oh. Okay. Got anything under here? No, we don't. Charcoal? They must have had some sort of barbecue last night. Yeah. What a bunch of slobs. Oh my God. Colt 47. My grandfather was killed with this. Okay. Okay, dear. Gotta be very stealthy. Marijuana plants. Yes, sir. What they do is they grow this here and they roll it up and they smoke it up into one of them buds. Filth. Trash. That's what's plaguing America today and its kids. Waste. I see him moving. I'm going in. Here they are! Open this door! You know it's good for you, or I'll beat you good! Who are you? I'm, Frankie, your, drug dealer. Mm-hmm. Probably more drugs. Why don't you open up that door, Sonny? Here we go! Ha! You see this badge? That's neighborhood police. And you're under arrest. Put down that gun, Sonny! I know how to use it. Ow. All right, just you and me, punk. Mr. Bug-Eyes. Oh, I think you're all that, huh? Oh, what's he, some sort of kung fu master? Look at this, huh? Huh. Oh, my God. Tough now, are you? Ow. Ow. Oh. Come back here, you little punk. Let's get him. Ah. Oh, my dog tags from the military protected me on that one. Well. All right, you think you can run up? Yeah! Yeah! Come back here. You know it's good for you. I'll shoot you. Just put down that gun. I know how to use this. Okay, man. Drop the gun. Okay. Drop the gun. Drop it. Yeah. Drop it, punk. Drop the gun or I will shoot you myself. Okay. Drop it. Come on. That's right. Shoot you. I'm not gonna hurt you, Sonny. I'm just gonna beat you down.
You're right.
You don't want to do this. This could be a big mistake for your life. Put the gun down. Put the gun down.
Ow.
Hey. Ah.
Yeah. Let me shoot. I'll shoot you.
Well, good day's work is... You there. All right, punk. Come on, we gotta go. Oh, crap. Now we run. We run. Go, 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 go. Stand. For victory! What you gonna... Oh, you like that one? Pull it down. Ah. Okay, that's enough. All right, cameraman, stop filming.